with the next topic, which is flexible image. So let's complete this and then we'll go on a break. Guys, are you there? Shall I continue with flexible image?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you practiced
Yes,
with media
ma'am.
query? So another way of achieving responsive web pages by creating flexible image. So these are the different ways of achieving flexible image and making responsive web page. One is by using max width property. So please pay attention. So in CSS, for your image, this property is applicable only for your image tag, HTML image tag. In your image tag, I'm gonna to apply the CSS property as maximum width as 100%. If the maximum width property is set as 100%, always the image will be scaling down. So it will, if it will not scale up when the image size is, when you are making the screen size larger than the original size of the image. So let's assume if I made max width as 100% and I set my image width as 600. So till 600, my maximum image size will be fit on my screen is 100%. If you set your screen size greater than 600, then you will be getting a void, some gap or some white space on your screen. So by default, whatever the width you are setting for your image with respective to the screen size, it will be there as 100%. If you said, if you are viewing the image, whichever the width you have set greater than that value, then you will be getting a void space in your browser. I'll show you in a demo. So let me create one another demo, which is responsive demo 3.html, 4.html. Please pay attention. Have an image and images. I'm taking this folder. I'm using the folder images. I have various images. I will choose that. Let me give an alternate text. I will give you the paragraph. Please pay attention. So apply your style. For your image, it's a type, no hash, no dot, because it's coming under type CSS. So what is the property? So the property which I want to set is maximum width is 100%. I'm not gonna to change anything with this height. So height remains auto. I'll repeat again. One of the way to make your image flexible with respect to all the screen sizes by enabling the property maximum width. So listen. So I have set my image holding maximum width of 100%. So listen. So let me give width as some 600. Please pay attention. And let me give height as 300. So for what screen size my image will be 100%? And you look and say
600.
for 600. The border is 600. Let me show you. Shall I decrease the height to 200?
Ma'am, you would not declare the class.
No, we don't want class or we don't want ID because it is type. By default, it will take. So can you see by default it is 1080. When it comes to 1080, my image is taking only 600 width. And you can see this white space at the right hand side. Can I change this as 580? What will happen if I change the width as 580?
100% overflow.
The image will be fitted to 100% of my screen. So till 600 and above, till 600, the image will be fit on to 100% on my screen. As soon as if I increase the screen size, you will be seeing this white space on right side, because till 600 it is 100%. So remaining all, it will be taking these white spaces. This is one way. This can be, by this way, the image can be flexible across different screen size. You got the point. Till 600, it will be fit onto your screen. From 0 to 600 pixel screen size, it will be 100% on the screen. For remaining greater than 600, depend upon it. It has been already fixed, and the remaining spaces you will be getting this white space for remaining width of the screen size, which is 600 and above. Shall we go to next?
Yes, ma'am.
One property is image max width property. By the way, I can able to control my image on different screen size. The other is by using different images for different devices. So if you look into, can you see? By using media query, by default, if it is 400 and devices smaller than 400 pixels, so 0 to 400, by default, I am applying body background as this particular URL image. If it is 400 and above, we are applying the body background image as another image. The regular way by using media query. So one is we will be getting this blank screen when you are using this max width. I want all of you to try the second way. First way also you can try. This you can try by yourself. If it is 400 and less than device size, I'm going to apply this particular image. If it is 400 and above, by default, I'm going to apply this particular image. Different images for different devices. So let's assume for big screen, you can have one larger image. For small screen, you can have one small image. By using the media query minimum device width, you can check the device width and you can apply that larger image, so that the image will not change whenever if you are resizing the browser window. Is that clear? Max width property. Least case, for different devices, you give different images. Guys, are you with me? Let's complete the last type, picture element. Then I'll be announcing a break. So picture element is the most common. Depend upon, see again here also we are going to use maximum width. Please pay attention. We will be using this semantic picture tag. Please pay attention. So source set. I'm going to use this small flower JPEG when the media maximum width is 400 pixel. If it is 400 and above, maximum of 400, I'm going to use small flower image. If it is 400 and above, these source images will be applied. The source set attribute is required and which is used to indicate what type of source I'm going to use. Take a snap of this. After break, I want all of you to try. One is by using CSS image property, different style for different images for different screen size. The last one is by using picture element. Similar to different images, instead of having one image, we are going to use 2 or 3 images, but that I'm going to decide with the help of source set property. So till maximum width of 400, small flower.jpg will be taken, whereas the other greater than media greater than this 400 and pixel, it will take the other image. If the picture is not supported, you can also use IMG also. So take a snap of this. After break, you can try this flexible images via 3 different ways. One is maximum width, different images for different devices. The other one is picture element by using source set attribute. Are you with me, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that okay? You can able to get into this topic. We are talking about responsive web page, different screen size. All right. So this demo we can try after a break. You can take a break of 10 minutes. So come back around